Hi, I am Taniya Kundalia. My personality traits include being self-motivated, always learning by doing, trying to understand how people behave, being open, honest and happy, as well as being reliable, trustworthy and honest. I prefer to take care of my social responsibilities. I work very hard at everything I do. Acting is my passion and my way of expressing myself. My passion for acting comes from the deepest part of my soul, mind and heart. Kindness, gentleness, strength, respect, compassion and self-control are all my positive traits. My ability to work well under stress is my biggest strength. I can make good decisions in real time, no matter what is going on or how stressed I am. I would like to work with a team because I know how important it is to work together. My weakness are being a workaholic, being impatient, being stubborn, and being afraid. I think that everyone wants to be successful. I believe that life is full of challenges and opportunities, but only for those who are willing to work hard to take advantage of the chances they get and overcome the challenges. The only mantras for success are hard work and dedication. My dream is to become a well-known actor, and my goals are to work in a tough environment where I can show off my skills through hard work and working with others. Even if I am not the best at everything, I can still be very successful. I don't feel like I have to be the best, so I will be able to enjoy each accomplishment more. My goals and dreams for my career have always been to become an actress. So I want to go into acting. One day I want to be a well-known actress. I want to get better at acting by trying out different acting styles and characters and living more than one life at a time. Also, time is very important in everyone's life, so we should know how much it's worth. My plans after training completion are to work harder to achieve and accomplish all of my goals.